hit the paint or anything else. And keep carrying on.
Any kind of motions, like
just so you want your hand flat, and short motions work. It doesn't have to be a lot of pressure.
Oh, you're basically just roughing up the surface.
Yep.
Yeah,
okay.
you're sanding.
Okay.
That's all you're doing. Just trying to get all of this gunk off. So just, you know, do a few passes over it.
And then move on to the next one, and just go from there.
Yeah.
I always go around the edges first, so that then I can not worry about hitting the paint like that.
You can kind of see it disappear.
Are you trying to get it to all like kind of fade and blend in together?
Yeah,
and then each.
Most of that oxidation is gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never seen you use one of them.
We used them on the boat.
Not for the lenses, I mean.
Yeah, well.
Trying something different?
Yeah. I figure it's, less work. It's a more aggressive path.
Definitely.
So we'll see what kind of results we get out of it. Naked eye, that looks way better already.
Oh,
100%. You haven't even polished. Still not. That's
Still going? Did it stop at all?
No, it's good. It was just overheating.
Oh, that day?
I don't know why they made these black. Yeah, there's like an
umbrella for it?
There's a temperature. I looked for that. I searched GoPro tent. But but no, the only thing that's on there is some guy that has this 3D printed thermal resistant housing you can clip over the front.
Okay.
It's white, like they should be.
Not liking exactly how this came out.
I've got like the Enduro batteries and all this crazy stuff for it. So.
This isn't coming out the best that I liked, but what do you think? Think it looks good?
Take a step back for a second.
I know I'm over picky, but
Just like paint, we know what we can do is make it better. Make it
I want
better.
to get clearer.
You know. So we're taking one side of this towel and just leveling the product out. Make sure we get all the edges. Spiritual. Foot towel.
Down.